Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see how to import external jar file in your Java project. So right click on your project. There is an option called build path. Go to build path, configure build path and click the class path. Select add external jar. You can select the jar file from here. Apply and close. Here you can see the jar file under referenced libraries and you can import the console.jar here. Inside the console.jar, I am having console class, so I am importing console.console. Here it's showing error because we are having module info.java. So this file module.java is not allowed to import the external jar file. So you can delete this module info.java. Here you can see the console is imported.